Hey everyone, welcome to H&M Tech Tutorial, and this is the best place to learn and explore cool tech stuff. So in this video tutorial I will tell you about how you can translate different languages. So for this purpose you have to open your favorite browser. So I will open simple Google Chrome browser here or any Google browser. So you can type here Google Translator. So once you will type Google Translator, so you will get a Google Translator here, and you can translate from any language to English language. From you can type different languages in English or your desired language. So if I translate from French language to English, so I have one sentence here. So here you can see the meaning of those sentences. How are you in English? So by the way, I just type a French word here. So in this way you can translate different languages in English, in your desired language, French, Italian, in your desired language. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and share your thoughts in comment box.